Hi, Jean. Love you, Jean. Ulit na ta? Nagpansay. Sa balay, hyper kayo na.
Vagrant would be ang instrument para malusog yung mga natin, yung mga alaga natin. Right, partner?
Of course, di ba sabas yung ating mga food super prepare for them? Kasi nga yung flavor ng ating chocolate is actually cream.
Ata,
Premium flavor.
Oh,
Love, mami!
Once again, ayan, pwede mo tayo magpilan here po for us to distribute our dog and cat food. Afternoon.
yes, I would like to commend this Christmas Council for having the initiative to implement this program because we are radiating Christmas just to us.
When applause fades,
This is Dr. Edward Alexander Layson. Good afternoon. And of course to our guests, parents who are here, and our passionate students of Mindanao State University. Thank you for welcoming us here. It is
Yun. Siguro let's have a catch-up session muna with our pet owners dyan. So, sino dito? And thank you so much to Honorable Jolie. Cat, okay. You asked me the same question din. Ikaw, obviously. Tinatanong ko ba yan? Ano ba? Ayan, so we have here our MSU1, one of our MSU1 na pet lovers, sabi niya. So, we'll ask, okay.
Nag-behave lagi ka diri, Jean. Nag-behave lagi ka diri, Jean. Seminar welfare.